Either way, and they go to big prop forward. Doing it. Still playing under this advantage. Some real opportunities out to the left if they want to shift it. Just setting it up nicely as Kuruvoli. Now the inside pass. Beautifully done. And just short. Now the quick ball. Can they get the quick ball? Diving for the line. Very close. So Samueli Matavasi to throw once again, stretching over was Mayo Navanua as Fiji get a break in midfield. Rudy Ruru gets the ball out wide for bouncing for Ndolo, just knocked down by McKenzie. Barrett hands it on to Whitelock. After the ball was posed, and it was Anton Leonard Brown who bore the front. Fijians are looking for the try. Matavasi to throw. Over. All Blacks driving them back initially, but the ball is still there in the arms of Matavasi. This is very good from the Fijian pack. Now Tuisue to the line, and the Fijians are in. Magic Fiji. Matavasi throws.
The table, the physicality they brought, I think it caught the All Blacks on the hop. They expected them to throw the ball around. I think I saw around 3 offloads in the whole contest. I mean, this was a different Fiji performance. Is this the new Fiji we expect to see in the future?
Yeah, I think it is. And the way that they implemented their game plan was part of the physicality that they were able to bring into the game.
Start with the scrum white. I thought that was more serious. You might just want to get that checked out, so go time off. Yeah.
Powerful charge. It was the loose head run, but he came
climax. Probably needs a stitch or two in the eyelid. Won't happen right now though. Turn it over and they win the penalty, as they've done so many times tonight.
Certainly have. They've been the better team in that department.
Keep playing it on the ground.
One more turnovers. Again, the All Black cleaners not good enough on the ball carrier, and Fiji have been very good in that zone.
And here is Decker getting his first real chance with the ball in hand. Aaron Smith's gone to ground here, and he's very slow to get up as Bridge slings it away for Havili. Now
in the interviews, they keep mentioning physicality, and Fiji won the physicality battle. It's exactly what the All Blacks needed on the field. Fiji were out-muscling us at some point.
Now Bolo flings it wide, nicely hauled in by Willie Rua. Bolo drops a little kick in behind, and the Fijians win it. As Damien Nakarawa, now he gets it across to his captain, who has been fantastic tonight. And here's a clean bust, still going, just losing his footing was Yato. Now charging onto it goes fullback Muri Balu. Need a good lineup. They've got that all right. No, they put a bit of pressure on the All Blacks. Majavasi still holding it, and they're looking pretty good at this stage. One or two All Blacks going to ground, which will stop it. Rugby, the loose head prop scores for Fiji.
Oh, the loose head. Tini Ravai.
Well, practicing their lineouts in the car park at the hotel this afternoon. It's working well.
Over.
Here comes, here's a chance by hooker. Ladavasi. Very good chance again here, the Fijians. They're inside the 5-metre line. Nakarawa gets his hands on the ball. And the All Blacks forced to defend desperately here. Off it goes for Hackett. Now here is Dyer. Another charge at the line. He's already got one so far, Tui Suak. They've got another advantage here. So this advantage should go for a long time. Big charge, a big physical run there by Yato. Taken down by Nakarawa. Here they go again. This looks good. This looks really good. Can they go all the way? No, the All Blacks have got a hand in there. Penalty try! Penalty try to Fiji!
Oh! And you should see the reaction from Captain Levane Botia. He was absolutely pumped, and rightly so. Again, like I said, they've been very fluid in their line-out structure. David Ardeli's also been put in the bin, so it's a double blow for the All Blacks. He's been binned. Fiji's scored.
We're really happy with the effort. The breakdown, I thought we competed well, and they showed a lot of heart. Yeah, very strong with ball in hand and over the ball. Yeah, good carries. I mean, they're powerful athletes, explosive, and they enjoy the contact part of the game. So we just need to get more ball for them, get them enthused, and encourage them to do that more often.
How much does World Rugby need this Fijian side? The culture, the colour and the life that they bring, as well as their performance.
separate. In fact, it was the last test match played at that ground as the Fijians prepare. Well, a lovely insight there into the preparation of this Fijian side for this